Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your page color in Microsoft Word document. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word document open up right here. So to change your page color is really simple. All you have to do once you on your document here, just click on design tab, come up here and then click on design tab. Now if you look in here, you see you have this page color right here. So just click on there and then you can choose whatever color you want to change to. You have all these color to choose from. So let's say you wanted to make it green or that. So right there, green, and then now once you click on green, as you can see, your whole page has now changed to gray. So yeah, that's how you change your document color or your page color, background color in Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.